Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Tacoma wiper blades. Park the truck, turn off the ignition, and lift the wiper arms away from the windshield. Start by removing the old blade by pressing the release tab and sliding the blade off the hook arm. Wipe the arm and windshield contact area with a cloth. Keep replacement blades handy and verify the mounting type to match the new parts before installation. In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Tacoma wiper blades. Support the arm and depress the release tab while pulling the blade down to remove it from the hook. Inspect the arm for rust or bent metal and clean the contact area thoroughly with a cloth. Keep a gentle, steady pull to avoid breaking the blade or bending the arm, and set the old blade aside for proper disposal or recycling. In this video, I will review how to change Toyota Tacoma wiper blades. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for clear sound and easy voice control while you work on small jobs. It fits on a workbench and plays instructions or music hands-free, making the task more enjoyable. If you want the Echo Dot or other deals, check the description for the link, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help you change Toyota Tacoma wiper blades. Match the replacement blade connector to the arm type and slide it into the hook until you hear a click. Make sure the blade is seated squarely and secure by giving it a firm tug. After lowering the arm back to the glass, cycle the wipers once to check contact and alignment, watching for streaks or gaps that indicate adjustment is needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.